and I welcome you all. Today I'll be talking something more about acupressure. Well, acupressure has long been used to boost energy, reduce stress, and cure health. It works on the body's natural energy system. Within each person exists a vast network of energy pathways that are constantly circulating throughout the body. These are called meridians, and each meridian has an important role for the health and vitality. And along these meridians, there are a series of acupressure points. Now, what are acupressure points? Acupressure points are places at which energy can be activated within the meridian to cause a healing effect in different parts of the body. In fact, acupressure points are like the light switches and the power buttons that turn on the various devices within your house. You must have noticed that even when your home's electrical system is perfectly set up, to use its power, you still need to activate the controls. You have to put on the switch, isn't it? Similarly, acupressure points often need a little activation, a little nudge, a little stimulation, a little push to channel energy to various parts of the body in order to heal many ailments. And this is how it heals many ailments. Well, there are certain points, acupressure points, which everyone should know and which can be used in our daily day-to-day life. It's why it is important, because it should be very handy. You should know these points so that whenever you need it, you can use it. Points like when you have acute pain, or point like when a person is in stress, or a point like maybe if the person is feeling low in energy. Well, today I'm going to talk about, my favorite cat is also here and his name is Luther. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about one point, and that is LI4. Now LI4, it is called a celebrity point. Why so? A celebrity is a celebrity because he or she is famous. Similarly, this LI4 is a very famous point. It is an analgesic point. It is very helpful when you have acute pain. Where it is located? Well, it is located here in the web area. I hope you can see it. And this is the point. When you do your thumb and finger like this is the point. This is the point. So you have to use your thumb, give pressure. Use your thumb, give pressure. So whenever you have pain, and we're telling you in what ailments you can use it, now just understand the location. So it is like this, here. So in the web you will find this area. So wherever there is this tenderness, you have to just hold it and press it. Press it through your thumb. Both the side. Even this side, press it, stimulate it, rotate it, leave it. Press it, stimulate it, rotate it, and leave it. What else you can do? You can simply tap over here. Just tap at this area. Tap at this area. Take your thumb, rotate, press, rotate, release. 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 Or else you can simply tap. Tap this. You can tap it like this. So whenever you have pain, when you have back pain, when you have headache, when you have pain anywhere in the body, an acute pain, immediately you got a pain. So you can just tap this like this, tap this like this, or else you give a pressure like this, rotate, leave it. Press, rotate, leave it. Press, rotate, leave it. And you can even press it for say 30 seconds, 2 seconds, 30 seconds or a minute maybe. 30 seconds or a minute. Press, rotate, release. Press, rotate, release. So as I told you, it is helpful for headache, any pain in the body. If you have menstrual pain in the arm, it is called the pain point in the body. It also helps to remove the toxins from the body and of course from the mind. So remember, any acute pain in the body, whether it is headache, arm pain, backache, maybe upper back, lower back, middle back, leg pain, any pain in the body, you just have to do this. You have the tool in your hand, take your thumb, press, rotate, release, press, rotate, release, press, rotate, release, press, rotate, release. Okay, one more thing you can do is, because sometimes we are busy and then we cannot be applying pressure continuously. So to help it get pressed and stimulated continuously, what you can do is, you can take this paper tape, doctor tape, it is called a doctor tape, and you can make it like this, in this, pull up this much part, and you can apply fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds are available at every house. You just apply 2 or 3 fenugreek seeds like this, and just apply it on this point. Like this, and leave it. The same thing you can do it over this side. Apply it and leave it. If you do not have fenugreek seeds, you can apply this black gram. Apply it over here on both the sides. And leave it. See, this it is, this way. Just apply it and leave it. It will give, and you can give pressure whenever you remember it. You can continue doing your work whenever you remember. Just apply a little pressure so that it is being stimulated. Well, you can also apply cluster magnet. This is cluster magnet. Those who do not have cluster magnet, they can apply fenugreek seed this way. The benefit of cluster magnet is that you don't have to give pressure again and again. The magnet works. It will stimulate the pressure point. So this is it. I hope it is seen. You can apply any seed. If you have pea or dried pea or black gram like this, or maybe black pepper, okay, or else you can use this cluster magnet. Well, this is LI4, the celebrity point. Remember, celebrity point. This is all for this video. I will come up with more such points. Thank you.